What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Heavy Wrench. Thanks for tuning in today. I appreciate it as always. Today is going to be a little different. You're going to see the flatbed drive by like this. There's about a minute and a half, maybe 2 minutes, I'm not really sure, of little clips of me driving back and forth before I actually get into the video. But thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. Hit that like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out this flatbed. It's complete. Anyway, you'll hear my thoughts on it. I really like Highway products. If you buy a bed from them, call them. They will be more than happy to help you out with the installation and figuring things out, even if it's a little unorthodox like this one was with the taillights and running boards and stuff like that. They've got a really good handle on it to figure it out. So stay tuned, check it out. There is Saturday night live streams every Saturday night pretty much. So check that out and enjoy the show. And this should be another little bit here of driving by, and we'll get right to the video. So thanks for tuning in. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Have a great day. Check it out. Well, there you have it. It's definitely sweet looking there. I did a little driving with it. Let me lower this down here so you guys can see exactly what's going on, and we're not in the shop. Figured I'd drive around the field a little bit. Give you a good overview here. These side boxes here are really sturdy built. I like them. So on the back of the truck here, you flip that plate and your gooseneck ball is under there. Sturdy swivel tie downs, super nice. The headache rack really looks sharp. The def filler neck is on the passenger side. That was to get the filler neck hose, that was kind of a struggle, but we got her all properly done with def hose, so that's a big key. I want to make sure I noted in here. But yeah, the bed looks phenomenal. I mean, if you want to talk about something you're going to be able to use on the farm and have a good flatbed. The rear view camera is right here. Installed it underneath their panel. Other than that, it really does look sharp. F450 2019. Give you a front view here. I mean, the body lines just look phenomenal. It just makes the truck look so nice. So I'll do it up close and explain some other things here in a second. These side boxes, they mount up with 8 bolts through this plate, and this plate is almost 3/8 aluminum. I would say really nice, solid. You're not going to be able to see that, but under there we've got, it just worked out nice. The mud flaps, I'm a little bit on the sketchy side about them. I think they're gonna rattle a little bit, but with the weights, I like that. I like having the weights on the back. I think it makes a nice touch, but I don't know if it's necessary to have these brackets. They do come awful close. They're not touching. There's a 1/2 inch there, but they do come close. That's why I had to put them where I put them. Other than that, the taillights worked out. I do have to go to the dealership and have the blis system disabled. That's not going to be able to have the blis system. I haven't really checked into the backup sensors yet. They're kind of an oddball shape to drill a hole and put them in, but if that's something the customer wants, we'll see what we can do to make that happen. So, but yeah, the filler neck on this side, showed you the def side already, but the fuel works out great. And when I removed the bed, I did lose through the taillight harness now, I did lose my running boards and my driver's side window. That function went away. With the proper taillight harness adapter delete kit that they sell, the running boards do work on automatic now. So that turned out well. The driver's side window works. Everything functions as it should. Cool part is up there you use your auxiliary switch in your cab. I'll show you what we got here. Now for these auxiliaries up here, your ignition does have to be switched on. It's kind of, so once you turn your ignition on, you end up with your bed lights, and those actually do shine very well. Now those lights are similar or the same actually as these 6 back here. So when you back up, these tops light up as just like those do. So I like the fit and finish on this bed. I really do like the powder coated aluminum look. The black and the white, I can't get over it. It's pretty sweet looking. We have made it official. It's a farm truck for sure. If you see the corn stalk laying underneath the frame there, hooked onto something or other. But that's what the plan is for this truck, to be a good farm hauler for the guy, and it's going to be a phenomenal bed. I do have to say about Highway Products here, they were absolutely phenomenal with helping me out, getting the taillights figured out. Call them up. They've got really good people working there. If you're doing it yourself, it's definitely a lot of different stuff you have to overcome with installing this flatbed, because it's fit for this truck, and with it being this new of a truck, there are some struggles there. But these guys, they took care of me. They sent me a harness next day air, because of the version of the truck, or the serial number brake of the truck needed a different harness in the rear to make it work. They sent that to me, no questions asked. Phenomenal people to deal with. So if you're looking at getting a flatbed, Highway Products, they're probably, I mean, the fit and finish, they can't be the cheapest on the market. I don't know what the person paid for this bed at all. I have no clue what the price was. I just installed it. So, but these swivels are just, and look at that fit and finish. I mean, seriously, it's just perfect. Everywhere I look on this bed, you can see that someone took pride and actually built this. I don't think this was a machine built bed at all. I think there was a fabricator that spent his day building this flatbed. Like I said, thanks for tuning in today. This is an amazing flatbed. I think it's going to work out great. I do like all the fit and finish and the touches that are just, it's a good bed. They are not sponsoring me. The person that bought this bed bought the bed. He liked the bed, liked the company, and I just installed it. But I'll tell you what, it really is a good flatbed. So I don't really see many faults with it. A few things I would improve maybe, but that's neither here nor there. I think the functionality is there, and the fit and finish is perfect. So thanks for tuning in today. I appreciate it as always. Hit that like button, comment, subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like what I'm doing now. I appreciate it. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and hit that notification bell. Try it out. See what you think. Have a great day, and we will, my focus is off, I think. Oh no. the focus. Autofocus off. There we go. All right, we'll do this over. Ioway Products, great bed. I really like what they're doing with it. The fit and finish was great. The installation was nice. Call them up if you have any problems, like I said before. They're really great people to deal with. So have a great one. Thanks for tuning in today. I appreciate it. As always, hey, if you like what I'm doing now, hit that thumbs up button. It's not going to be a bunch of the flatbed installations like this, but it's going to be different content. That's going to be all over the map. I got so much stuff coming in right now, it's not even funny. So stay tuned. We'll try to get most of it on camera for you. Hit that notification bell. Subscribe if you're first time watching this video, watching one of my videos. Check it out. Come on for the ride. Keep that iron moving. So there you have it. Oh, focus. Flatbed's installed. I need to zoom out just a touch here. Let's go out. There we go. Start that over.